Prime Minister Modi is on a historic tour of Austria. It's the first visit to Vienna by an Indian Prime Minister in the last 41 years. The Prime Minister was welcomed with a beautiful rendition of the Vande Mataram in Vienna. Here are some key highlights of his visit.
A warm, rousing welcome to the Indian Prime Minister in true Vienna style. A Vande Mataram rendition by the choir and orchestra led by another Indian, 57-year-old Vijay Upadhyay, the director of Vienna University Philharmonie. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi posted on X, "Austria is known for its vibrant musical culture. I got a glimpse of it thanks to this amazing rendition of Vande Mataram." After a day of diplomatic meetings and talks in Moscow, the Indian Prime Minister arrived in Vienna for the two-day visit to Austria late Tuesday evening. Austrian Foreign Minister Alexander Schallenberg received him at the airport. And then he was taken on a city tour by the Austrian Chancellor Karl Nehammer. Clicking selfies, the two heads of states soaked themselves in the true Vienna night hues. Nehammer posted a photo of him and Modi on the microblogging platform and said, "Welcome to Vienna, Prime Minister Narendra Modi." An Indian Prime Minister came calling in Vienna after more than 40 years. The Indian diaspora was excited, and as soon as he entered the hotel, he was welcomed by this beautiful rendition of Vande Mataram.
2.5 हफ्ते पहले पता लगा कि करना है। अब ये होता है कि वेस्टर्न म्यूजिक में ऐसा है कि जो ऑर्केस्ट्रा बजाता है या लोग जो गाते हैं वो हर चीज को लिखना पड़ता है। तो पहले तो 2 दिन में लिखना पड़ा जल्दी से, फिर उसको रिहर्सल करना पड़ा था। तो वंदे मातरम हुआ, फिर उसका डिसीजन कि हम वंदे मातरम करेंगे। और फिर अब वंदे मातरम हमने उसका प्रयत्न किया कि वंदे मातरम जैसे है वैसे रखे, लेकिन उसको थोड़ा हम सिम्फोनिक स्टाइल, ऑस्ट्रियन यूरोपियन सिम्फोनिक स्टाइल दें। तो इसमें क्वायर था जिसने गाया, और उसके बाद उसके साथ में और ऑर्केस्ट्रा था, चेंबर ऑर्केस्ट्रा, करीब 50 लोग थे इसमें।
Refreshed by the morning, the diplomatic and the bilateral talks started, and once again Ukraine war dominated the discussions.
मैंने और चांसलर नेहमर ने विश्व में चल रहे विवादों, चाहे यूक्रेन में संघर्ष हो या पश्चिम एशिया की स्थिति, सभी पर विस्तार में बात की है। मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि यह युद्ध का समय नहीं है। समस्याओं का समाधान रणभूमि में नहीं हो सकता।
Last night and this morning we had very intensive talks about the Russian war of aggression against Ukraine. For me, as the Federal Chancellor of Austria, it's particularly important to get to know India's assessment and to understand it, and to familiarize India with European concerns and worries. Moreover, the conflict in the Middle East was a major topic, and in addition to this challenging geopolitical situation, we also referred to the positive aspects of our cooperation.
India and Austria cooperation in infrastructure, renewable energy, high technology, startups, media and entertainment are in key focus of this bilateral talk.
Today already there are excellent economic and trade relations with India, marked by mutual trust and confidence. 2.7 billion euro is the current trade volume. More than 150 Austrian businesses are operating in India, and we expect the number to increase, and there will also be Indian investments in Austria.
Both heads of states are taking business leaders of both countries along these trade talks to make effective moves ahead. Bureau Report, India Today.